All right, number 17, a great example of a question that can be solved this way, even though it doesn't need to be solved this way. Which of the following gives the radius of the sphere in terms of the volume of the sphere? All that means is get the r term by itself. So, I mean, probably the fastest way to do this is to just do the algebra, right? So you would say v equals 4/3 pi r cubed, and then you would say, well, I need to peel layers away from this r. So first thing you might do is divide by pi. That equals 4/3 r cubed. Now you could divide by 3 and multiply by 4, which you could do in one step by saying let's multiply by 3 over 4. That would cancel here. 3 over 4 here. So we have 3v over 4 pi equals r cubed, and then you would take the cube root of all of this, of both sides. So, terrible circle there. Cube root of 3v over 4 pi is answer choice D. That would probably be the fastest way, I'm not going to lie. But you do have a calculator, and if you are unclear about what they're asking, all you have to do is put a value in. So as soon as I say in terms of the volume, it just means get the radius by itself. Make it so that we can talk about the radius using v as the only variable. That's all that means. But again, make r equal 2. And then you get v equals 4/3, pi, and then times 8. So that's 2 cubed, right? So you could just literally do this math for v. I don't know what it is off the top of my head. You could do this math for v and plug it in and see which one works. That would be how and work back saying, I want to get a 2. So whatever the heck this is, I don't know off the top of my head. I guess it's probably pretty close to like 33 or 34 or something. I'm just thinking 3, would almost cancel with the pi when we multiply 4 times pi over 3, so that's pretty much just a little bit more than 4, and then 4 times 8 would be, 32-ish, so a little bit more than 32. I'm not going to do that, but you could work through it that way, and that would be a good way to check your work, even if you did the normal math, the normal algebra, I should say.